Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The seeds of the fragrant manjack tree are known as lanbuzi in Hakka, and Hakka people often use them when cooking fish or meat. Hakka people first cook the large seeds before letting them cool and drying them. The seeds are then pickled by putting them into a jar filled with soy sauce for a full week. The pickled seeds can be preserved for up to a year.
Yo everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And once again, it's time to talk more about food and ingredients that are related to Hakka food. Leo, 今天呢就来介绍更不一样的东西，让我这个耳目一新的感觉好了。
好
介绍一些我可能没有听过的东西。
这个东西你应该吃过
哦，
很多蓝铺子。
蓝铺子，
蓝铺子，
我感觉没有吃过的。蓝铺子
应该有啦。
中文怎么说？
蓝铺子就是破布子。
破布子啊？
你还是没听过对不对？
这可以吃吗？破布吗？
不是啦，
衣服的布吗？
其实它就是一个树的种子。然后那果实嘛，我们把它收集起来之后呢，把它用热水烫过，再来呢，把它放到那个酱油里头去泡1个礼拜。就有点咸味的东西。
really? Okay.
所以它可以煮菜。
所以它是一种一种果子。
对
了，
一个果子。
Okay.
我最记得就是会跟鱼一起煮，因为它会去腥味嘛。有时候我们吃稀饭的时候，会把它当酱菜。
Okay.
或者是炒苦瓜、炒副瓜。
Oh, really? Okay, so it's used in a lot of different places. It's actually a type of tree seed, okay? And they marinate it in soy sauce to bring out a very, it's salty flavor to it, 会很咸. And they actually use it in different dishes, especially with fish and seafood, because it can get rid of the smell. But Leo also pointed out is used commonly in other dishes, such as the stir-fried bitter gourd, or even in congee, because it can salt it up a little bit.
而且它是一个就是大自然的产物嘛，所以是不太需要花什么太大的费用。
So it's actually pretty cheap to obtain. And for those who are interested, there's actually a technical term to this. It's called the Cordia dichotoma, but it's actually just a type of tree seed that is used in different dishes in the Hakka culture. So next time you go to a Hakka restaurant, you want to try it out, maybe you can ask the owner to give you some 破布子，怎么说？
蓝布子，
蓝布子 and try it out for yourself. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.